दोस्तों, अब तक मैं आप लोगों के साथ बहुत सारे अलग अलग मेथड शेयर कर चुकी हूँ अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए। तो आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक बड़ा ही आसान सा मेथड लाई हूँ जिससे आपकी स्पीकिंग इम्प्रूव होगी। आप अपने किसी भी फ्रेंड के साथ नॉर्मल डे टू डे लाइफ कॉन्वर्सेशन कर सकते हैं। तो गाइज, यहाँ पर मेरे साथ है आयुष और आज मैं आपको डेमो दूंगी कि कैसे आप अपने फ्रेंड के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन कर सकते हैं। लेकिन उससे पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं और आपने हमारे चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फटाफट से हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So friends, he is Ayush and today I am going to give you a demo that how you can have a conversation with your friends. So let's get started. Hello Ayush, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
I am good, thank you. And how are you, ma'am?
I'm fantastic. So Ayush, what are you doing nowadays?
Ma'am, currently I am pursuing my bachelor's degree in engineering and technology from HNBGU Srinagar Garhwal.
Okay, so what are your future plans?
Ma'am, in future I want to start a business because I just want to grow myself.
Okay, so do you prefer business over job?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I prefer business over job.
Is there any specific reason behind this?
Ma'am, there are many reasons. In job, we get limited in a specific place. But if we are in a business, then we can grow day by day. We can grow our mindset. We can learn many new things, and there are many ways how we can improve ourselves. So, what do you prefer, ma'am? Job or business?
Yeah, actually, I personally prefer job over business.
Why?
Actually, there are fluctuations in business. Sometimes it goes in benefit and sometimes it goes in loss. So there is a lot of risk associated with business, while in job there is no such risk.
But man, don't you think that the risk, if you face the risk, after that you can get many new things to learn. Risk if you get failed in a business, then you came to know many new things. You can improve those things later and improve your business day by day.
Yeah, of course you are right. We learn lots of things when we make lots of mistakes. But I think for a middle class person, a person who belongs to middle class family, if he or she will start a business and after some time, if it doesn't go good. Okay, so Ayush, could you just tell me what are your hobbies?
Ma'am, my hobbies are composing poems, gardening, and listening to music.
Okay, so what type of music do you prefer?
Ma'am, I prefer ghazals and some of the foreign music, some of the foreign artists I used to listen. So, what are your hobbies, ma'am?
Okay, so I would like to tell you that I didn't used to have any type of hobby, not lots of, but during COVID-19, that time we all had lots of spare time. Yeah. So that time I developed lots of new hobbies. Like I learned how to make a sketch. So I developed this hobby, and second thing I learned how to cook properly. And one more thing, I learned wall painting and photography also. So I learned all of these things during COVID-19.
I also like cooking a lot. It is
like
a hobby to me.
Okay, so are you fond of cooking?
Yes, I am fond of cooking. So as nowadays elections are going on in Uttarakhand, so what kind of political party do you want in Uttarakhand?
Okay, so are you interested in politics?
Yes, a little bit.
Little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, so as we know that since a very long time BJP is ruling in Uttarakhand.
Yeah.
So I think time to time it should get changed.
Huh.
Okay, so now okay Ayush, I just want to ask you that what type of government do you want in Uttarakhand in 2025?
Actually, it should be a mixed government, because if there is only one party ruling over the whole country, then then the change will not come, because everyone will support their leader. No one will be against them.
Yes.
If they are just they are as dictator, then everyone will follow them. No one is going to oppose them. So if there is an alliance government, then they will rule well. They can't impose their yojanas, bills, etc. on the people on the citizen of India. They can't impose their yojanas and bills on the citizens, because because other opposition will always oppose them if they are not agree with their bills and etc.
So yes, I think in every 5 years we should give chance to another party, because each and every party has their own agenda, they have their own ideas. So we should give chance to each and every party. I think it is not good just that only one party will rule in a country for a very long time.
Yes, and actually, according to me, if we will talk about Uttarakhand, then we should support local parties,
yes.
because they know our problems very well. They are between us, they are among us, and if we have any problem, we can just share our problems with them, because they also live between us. They are
yes.
citizen of our Uttarakhand.
Yes, I think they can understand our problem much more easily and in a much more effective way as compared to like other government.
Yes.
Okay, so Ayush, what do you think about migration? Why people are migrating from village to cities?
Ma'am, there are many factors of migration, but according to me, the main factor is employment, because most of the peoples are not that much educated to get good job. So for getting employment in industrial areas, they are going to the outside of state and outside their village. For in some industrial areas like Dehradun, I talk about cities, Dehradun, Delhi, Mumbai, for getting employment and for earning their daily bread.
Yeah, for their livelihood, they are migrating to cities. And I think one more major reason behind this is education. People are migrating from a village to city for getting good education. As we all know that in village area there are not good education facilities, while in cities you get everything on your doorstep.
Ma'am, but if we try in our village areas, we can get good education there, because we are not fighting for our rights. If we will fight for our rights, we have right to education, then we can get many big institutes in our villages too. But we are not fighting, so we are not getting. Then we have to migrate outside.
Yes, and I think people will never stand to fight for their own right.
But that's why, ma'am, I am supporting a local party, because if a local party will win election, then they know what we have to face in our villages, we have to face in our areas, like education. They know we are going outside for education. They can help us to get good education in our areas too. That's why I am supporting the local parties.
Okay, but if the government will help, but still it depends on the mindset of people, if they want these types of things in village or not. They are migrating to city on the name of education, but the reality is lots of people just want to show off. They just want to migrate from villages. There is no specific reason behind it for most of the people, but they are migrating on the name of education also.
Yes, ma'am, you are also right. But I think the people who are in love with the nature, they are always in their villages. They are enjoying their village life very well. They are doing their daily work. They are farming there. They are growing crops. They are planting there. They are growing fruits, vegetables, and spending their most of the time with nature, in the lap of nature. And I basically love that kind of life a lot. So according to me, if a person want to grow their mindset, they can start their work anywhere, like in villages too. They can grow their crops and sell them. They can grow vegetables and sell them. There are many kind of milk products. They can produce milk products. So employment and education. If a person is getting good education, he can do good work in their fields too. Not in cities, in villages too. Most of the people if I talk about outside state like Rajasthan and others, then they come here in SNVGU to learn horticulture and etc. After that, they go to their village and do work there, and that's a very good type of mindset.
So guys, this is how you can have a normal day-to-day life conversation with your friends, and this is how you will improve your English. You do not need to feel any type of hesitation. It's obvious that you are a beginner. You will make lots of mistakes. Whenever we learn any skill, we make lots of mistakes, and learning a language is also a skill. So don't hesitate about it. Just try to speak, and try to speak more and more.
Yes, this is the best way to improve your English. I started also from there, and now I can speak more and more without any hesitation, and with fluent English I can speak more and more.